What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be doing some emblems on the 2015 and up Wrx. For those of you that have been wanting to make your car look a little bit different, take away some of the chrome, I know a lot of people don't like that. I've already debadged most of my car, and I kept the Wrx, but I knew someday I was going to do something with it. So I ended up buying the rear Wrx logo, the Fender emblems, and the front and rear Subaru Stars logo. So today I'm going to put those on, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on a dark gray metallic. I purchased the gloss, and yeah, let's go throw them on and we can see how they look. Alright, so I got the emblems here in front of me. Let's take a look at them before we put them on the car. Give you a little look at what to expect when you order these and how they look. So here they are. These are the gloss emblems. The star logos comes with the frame, so you can totally de-chrome everything. 3M on the back. There's little tabs that should click right into your grill or your trunk. Here's the gloss Wrx logos for the Fender emblems. More 3M on the back. Then I got another gloss Wrx one. Should look pretty sweet. Again with the 3M on the back. So let's go grab a blow dryer and start heating it up. Blow dryer, old credit card. Here we go. Alright, so we're done now, so let's go see how it turned out. Here's the right fender. Looks pretty good. Okay, now that the fender emblems are done, let's move on to the trunk Wrx logo. Just going to grab it here. I'm going to do kind of the same thing, except I'm going to use floss to peel off the old Wrx logo, and then I'm going to use some Goo Gone to take the adhesive off. Then we'll stick this glossy one on. Let's do it. got my glue gun, a rag, and my credit card. Just going to soak the adhesive in this glue gun, and I'm going to scrape it off. Alright, got most of the adhesive off. I'm going to clean it off, put the new emblem on. Using a microfiber towel to clean this off. There you have it. It's on the trunk. Take a look. Another shot with the gloss black Wrx logo. Okay, so I moved on to the front emblems. I got it heated up right now. Got some little contraction with the blow dryer sitting on it right now. So I'll just let it heat up for a little bit, and then I'll get out my prying tool and rip the front emblem off. I know it's a little harder than the other one since there's way more adhesive. But yeah, I'll get that ripped off and put the new one on, and we'll see how that one looks. To get this off, you just got to pry it out a little bit. And that's what it looks like when it's off. So let's get the new emblem stuck on. I'm going to peel off this adhesive, put it in the frame, and stick it on. Okay, here's the final product. And we're going to head out, get a car wash, and get better photos. Got the back emblem on. Got Natalie in the car. We're going to the car wash. And we're going to get it all cleaned up. Here we go.